Welcome to the Youth Show with Professor Alex.
In this show, we talk about the various problems that Gen Z of today faces. It can be problems related to workplace, related to college placements, or related to your jobs. Be it any problem, we have got the solution. So, do watch our videos.
Sir, what mistake should someone avoid in their first year of professional life?
In their first year of professional life, as a fresher in the corporate world, normally the freshers make a lot of mistakes. Like sometimes they are quite shy. They are they fear whether asking questions or putting themselves, raising their hands in the team meetings, or somebody might feel that this fresher is jumping too much. So they kind of be very timid, very shy, and that is of course completely to avoid. Like put yourself out there in the first year. Don't be shy. Come up with solutions in the team meetings or wherever you get an opportunity. Raise your hand when the turn comes. Try to give your feedback, your solutions, your proposed maybe workarounds or solutions, innovations, but don't be shy and don't keep your thought processes to yourself. Number one, mix with lots of people. Don't have just one or two colleagues that you talk to, because the colleagues may leave the company or they may get promoted or shifted somewhere else, and then you are all alone again. So it's very important to create that circle of friendship or circle of amicability within the colleagues. And I think another thing is that when someone is a fresher, they are completely under one team lead. So there is a problem of visibility sometimes, and that actually happened to me. When I joined a telecom firm in TELUS, one of the biggest in Canada, but I was under one team lead, and I was supposed to report to him, and he kind of completely controlled my visibility. So that I realize will happen to many or most of you, but I would say that in the team meetings, when anyone could democratically raise their hands or ask questions or give feedback, I made it a point to let my opinion be heard. So that's very important, because your immediate superior or your team lead may completely curb your visibility and just put you under a cone, right? So it's very important to be heard. It's very important to let your solutions be out there, so that not only your immediate senior but others know, your team manager or project manager and higher ups know. And especially try to use forums such as the town hall sessions or the larger interaction sessions with your senior management, maybe your VP or CIO. They come and use it to ask questions, because that way you'll be heard. Ask intelligent questions. Maybe if you have some concerns about the product or about the client, just put it out there, right? And no matter who you are, right, what your ideas are, what you're saying matters. It doesn't matter if you're day one or a day 10,000 years in the company, but what really matters is your ideas, the power of ideas. It doesn't matter who the ideas are coming from. Like Google was started by a dropout, right? And then a college dropout, and then Facebook also. So it doesn't matter that who you are, but what matters is what you're bringing to the table. So don't be shy. In summary, don't be shy. Don't let your immediate superior or immediate boss curb your visibility. Use various team meetings and various town halls to ask questions, raise concerns, or give solutions. Then I would say work on the power of ideas, work on articulating the ideas. So because ideas are most powerful, right? It doesn't matter if you are a fresher, don't be shy to put forward. If you have some good ideas, to put it forward. and I would say learn to enjoy the process, make lot of friendships or lot of colleagues, help people out, because when you help people out, naturally that trust will develop, the amicability will develop, and enjoy yourself in the process. You have, all of you have one life, all of us have one life, so, and we'll be fresher once, so try to enjoy yourself in the process.
Thank you, sir.
Glad to be of help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep watching.